Hello students, good morning. How are you? Today we are going to start SQL structure query language. Before this chapter, we have already discussed about the DBMS database management system. I hope that all of you understand this topic. Structure query language is a language that enables you create, operate on relational database. It is the standard language used by almost all the database software vendors. Pronounced as SQL, original version was developed by IBM's Almaden Research Center. Latest ISO standard of SQL was released in 2008 and named as SQL 2008. SQL features may allow creating, modifying a database structures, changing security settings for system, permitting users for working on database or tables, querying database, inserting, modifying, deleting the database contents. Using the SQLs, you can create the tables, create the database, modify the database, and retrieve the database. MySQL elements, literals, data types, nulls, comments. Literals, all of you know very well, the literals are the constant. We have discussed this topic. Constant in the Python programming means fixed value or constant value. It may be character, numeric, or date time type. Character and date time literals are always in single quotation marks, whereas numeric literals must be without single quotation marks. For example, if we have the name, any name, just like the Virat, it enclosed with the single quotes, 12 numbers, 12.56, floating numbers, decimal, 04202018. Date and time values are always in the format YYMMDT, HH, MIERs, minutes and seconds. Special characters like quotes are always written be preceding it backslash. For example, if we want to store values of Tom's cat, then it should be written as the Tom's cat. Means स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स जो होंगे वो आपका बैकस्लैश के साथ यूज होंगे. Data types means the type of value and type of operations we can perform on data. For example, on numeric values we can store number and perform all arithmetic operations and so on. MySQL supports three categories of data types: numeric, date and time, string time. न्यूमेरिक डेटा टाइप में आपके पास इंट नंबर्स विदाउट डेसिमल स्टोर अप टू डिजिट 11 डिजिट्स, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन है. टाइनी इंट, स्मॉल इंट, इंटीजर वैल्यू. समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. Date, numeric date, tiny int, small int, integer. Tiny int, small int, integer value between 0 to 55, 4 digits. Small int more than small integers. Tiny int between this range. Range of the small int is minus 32,768 to 32,765 digits. Medium integer store the value up to 9 digits. Big integer very large up to 11 digits. Float, M and D real. Numbers with decimal. M specify the length of the numeric values including in decimal place D and decimal symbols. For example, if it is given as float 8,2, then 5 integers values, 1 decimal symbols and 2 digits after the decimal, total 8. It can work on 24 digits after the decimal. Double, if the range of the float is exceed, then we can use the double decimal. It is used to store exact numeric value that preserve exact precision. For example, money data in accounting system. Decimal P, D means P number of significant digits 1 to 65. D represent the number of digits after the decimal. For example, decimal 6,2 means 4 digit before decimal and 2 digits after decimal. Maximum will 99.9. इस टाइप से आप इसको राइट कर सकते हैं. Date and time, date in YY MMDD formats between these. In Oracle, data format is DD MNYY. Date time combination of date time. For example, store the 4th December 2018. The time is afternoon. Then it should be written as the 2018 12/04/15. इस टाइप से आप डेट एंड टाइम को स्टोर करा सकते हैं. टाइम स्टैम्प similar to date time but it is written without hyphen. For example, the above date time is stored as. इस टाइप से आप इसको स्टैम्प में कर सकते हैं. टाइम टू स्टोर टाइम इन द फॉर्मेट HH, hours, minutes, seconds. Year to store only year part of the data where M may be 2 or 3 year in 2 digits like 18 or 4 digits like 2018. String types char, varchar2. Fixed length string है between 1 to 55. It is always occupy M size of each data. For example, if the size is character 20, then we will store the mobile. Although the size of mobile is 6, then in a table it will occupy 20 size with space padded at the right side for remaining place. Mostly used in the case where the data to be inserted is fixed size like grade ABC for employee code is E001, E002, etc. In this case, char will give better performance than varchar. Varchar variable length है string की between 1 and 65,535. From MySQL, earlier it was 255. It takes size as per the data entered. For example, varchar 20. If the data is entered mobile, then it will take only the 6 byte. It is useful for the data like name, address, where the number of characters to be entered is not fixed. Char and varchar2. Its support in Oracle both are almost same with minor difference. The difference is the way they are handling empty string and null full characters. These two are differences where the varchar2 treats both the same. One question come from this, the char and varchar में what is the difference between char and varchar? तो वेरिएबल लेंथ है, फिक्स लेंथ है. char में आपका फिक्स लेंथ होती है स्ट्रिंग की और इसमें वेरिएबल लेंथ स्ट्रिंग होती है. फिक्स लेंथ स्ट्रिंग, वेरिएबल लेंथ स्ट्रिंग आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं इसको और अपने उसमें नोटबुक में नोट कर सकते हैं. Null value means missing information. Null can appear any type of column. It is not restricted by the not null and primary key. Always remember null is neither equal to 0 nor space. Null means nothing. Used in situation like email ID is not available with the student, then we will insert null. स्टूडेंट्स अभी हम इतना ही रखते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको और कराएंगे. टिल देन थैंक यू.